Okay, so I took out a little clip right here, slide it down, and now I have access. Now I have access to it. Pry it down like that, and then you just pull this bottom section. You just pull this bottom section out. Pry it back towards that side. Hopefully you was able to see that. I'm not sure how good the angle was, but now we're just gonna start working on taking out the screws. And there's a screw we gotta take out. Okay, so I got it out. The problem, there's 3 bolts. There's one on each side and one in the back.